Do not get fear in maths. You have to find the path to overcome fear in maths. You will get success in that. To overcome fear in maths, you will get success in that.
Welcome class 11. I know your ICSE result is already declared and you decided who take science, who will take commerce and who will take arts. If you take maths, please do practice in every day. No option. Okay? Now my today's topic is mathematical induction. This is very easy chapter. Now start mathematical induction. Now, prove that, suppose this is an example, this is prove that Pn is a polynomial, this is an odd number. What is the way to prove by mathematical induction? Step 1. Step 1 equal to P1. This is equal to 1 square plus 1. Value is 1 square plus 1, this is equal to 2. What is step 2? Step 2, P2. This is equal to 2 square plus 1, this is equal to 4 plus 1, this is equal to 5. This is not a odd number. You prove that. Question is prove that this is an odd number. No, this is not odd number. This is the way to find the result by mathematical induction. This is true or not. Am I clear? Now go to example 2. Now prove that this is equal to n square plus n. Now start from LHS. First step is let Pn equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6 up to 12. Okay. And step 1, P1 equal to 2 only. This is LHS. And what is RHS? 1 square plus 1. This is equal to 2. Now for a P1 first step is 2. Step 1 is true. Now step 2. Step 2. Step 2 equal to P2. This is equal to 2 plus 4 means 6. This is LHS. Now RHS, you put n equal to 2 means 2 square plus 2. This is equal to also RHS. Now LHS equal to RHS. Hence step 2 is true. Now step 3. This is equal to Pn is true. Means Pm equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus ... 2m equal to m square plus m. This is true. Or Pm equal to this, let us consider. Now step 4. Step 4 is very important. Pm plus 1. What is the way to find Pm plus 1? This is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6 ... Pm plus 1. Okay. Now what is the value of this part? This is equal to m square plus m plus 2 into m plus 1. This is equal to m square plus 3m plus 2. Okay. Now we need a factor. What is the value? This is equal to m square plus 2m plus m plus 2, and this is equal to m plus 2 plus 1 is common, m plus 2, and this is equal to m plus 1 and m plus 2. Now you put RHS. Instead of m, you put m plus 1 in RHS. You put m plus 1. M plus 1 square plus m plus 1. This is equal to m plus 1 is common. M plus 1 plus 1. This is equal to total m plus 1 into m plus 2. Hence, LHS equal to RHS. Hence, LHS equal to RHS. Step 4 also true. Also true. Hence, by the mathematical induction, hence by the mathematical induction, hence by the mathematical induction, Pn is equal to n square plus n is true for all n belongs to integer, or n belongs to integer proved. N belongs to not only integer, n belongs to natural number proved. Okay, n belongs to natural number proved. Now, example number 3. 2 to the power 3n minus 1 is divisible by 7. Okay, now start. Let Pn equal to 2 to the power 3n minus 1. Okay, step 1. This is equal to P1 equal to 2 to the power 3 into 1 minus 1. 2 to the power 3 means 8 minus 1, 7. Obviously, 7 is divisible by 7. First step is true. Step 1 is true. What is step 2? Step 2 is P2. This is equal to 2 to the power 3 into 2 minus 1. This is equal to 2 to the power 6 minus 1. 2 to the power 6 means 2 to the power 4 is 16. 64 minus 1, this is equal to 63. This is equal to 7 into 9. Also divisible by step 2 is also true. Now step 4. Step 4 is equal to Pm. Let this is equal to 2 to the power 3m minus 1 is equal to 7k, where k belongs to I, integer. Now step, this is step 3, sorry, very sorry, this is step 3, and last step is step 4. Pm plus 1. Okay, so this is equal to 2 into 3 m plus 1 minus 1. You may write in this way also. This is 2 to the power 3m into 2 to the power 3 minus 1. What is the value of 2 to the power 3m? 2 to the power 3m is equal to 7k plus 1. Okay, so you write 7k plus 1 into 8 minus 1. So 7 into k into 8 plus 8 minus 1, or this is equal to 7, 8 into 7k plus 7, or in common 7. Hence, this is also divisible by 7. Hence, by the induction, by the mathematical induction, PM is divisible by 7 proved. Okay, this is the way to prove the induction method. This is the way to prove. Okay, and that's all for today. Thank you very much. Please do maths, and if you have any doubt, please write in comment box. And if you like my video, please press the like button, and for further notification you press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. That's all for today. Thank you very much.